Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm telling you about professions with Urdu meaning. I am businessman. I am engineer. I am farmer. I am chef. I am baker. I am electrician. I am singer. I am fisherman. I am scientist. I am painter. I am carpenter. I am musician. I am policeman. I am gardener. I am postman. I am drummer. I am soldier. I am barber. I am astronaut. I am miner. I am artist. I am explorer. I am janitor. I am architect. I am detective. I am firefighter. I am magician. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.